Hello, friends. Yes, I just wanted to introduce you to some of my favorite fragrances. This is the one. This one, anywhere you see me, most definitely I'm wearing this, or maybe layered. And now we're going to listen to one of my favorite YouTubers, my sister from the Congo. She has a lot to say about perfumes. Let's listen.
Is fragrances. You need a signature fragrance that will help you to feel elevated, something that people will associate with you only when they meet you. So if it means layering your scent to create that signature scent, then definitely go for it. There are
Thank you
so
so
many fragrance
much,
houses.
my Sherry Edwidge. Please follow her, Edwidge a la mode. Okay, now this one is the male version of the one I showed you earlier on, Burberry. Exactly, Burberry London. Don't forget, Burberry London. You have for male and for female. This is the male type. I got this for my son. He loves it too. Actually, it's citrony smell. It almost alike, only that this is a little bit more intense. And let me tell you something about Burberry London. Apart for the fact that it's my favorite perfume, and I think it's the best perfume ever, but I usually buy it in Ross. I buy it in Ross or Burlington Coat Factory, or in sometimes once in a while I do find it in TJ Maxx or Marshalls because it's quite expensive. The next one is Sunflower. I just like the way it's so fresh, so summerly, and actually just it's so fresh, like you feel clean. And I got into this very Sunflower by my foster mom in Germany. Yeah, I she introduced me to this perfume. Sunflower, and then what hand washing soap. I must say I always like buying good ones. Hydrating, smells good, makes you happy, feels good. After washing your hands still feels very, very delicate and soft and yummy. Ah, my goodness. Such stores like Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Burlington Coat Factory, yeah, look for such things there. You will be surprised things you'll find exactly like this final thing I'm showing you. These lippies, oh my goodness, lipstick and lip gloss in one are amazing. Like you just put it in your purse and you're good to go. You can't believe what I also saw there. Can you believe this box of goodies? Yummy,
You know why this was $10? Because it's a Harry and David box. Harry and David is the gift. You know those gift baskets rich people send each other? That's where they send it from.
And also this Himalayan popcorn is sweet popcorn. It reminded me of childhood. We had sweet popcorn when we were growing up. You know, we didn't have the salty ones at home. It was the sweet ones. This I tasted. It was really good. It was very good. So don't look down on those stores. Just you have to be intentional. Search. You'll be surprised. Thank you very much for watching. I'll show you more next time. It's more coming in my treasure to trash series. Treasure to trash cereals. Okay, thank you very much. Feeling down, peace. Bye yo.